Hi guys, so I just received my package and then I was so curious I couldn't wait, so I had to open it and grind some peanut, as you can see. And after turning on the machine just for a few seconds, it was already like this, so I would say it worked pretty fast. So, well, my only concern is the little smell, and well, the manual says it's okay. I mean, to have that little smell, so I think it's written somewhere on the manual. I saw it somewhere. I can't quite remember. Yeah, but I think it's somewhere. Check the carbon brush. Continue from the open. Do not try the after the link is powerful. I cannot find it, but I know also some kind of instruction. Yeah, I can find it, but I mean, for now, I would say it's fine. So let's see what happens next.
Al minuto empieza a echar humo.